Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about why we need to invest our money in various places. Saving money is essential, but it's not enough to secure your financial future. Investing your money in different places is crucial if you want to grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. Investing your money in the stock market is one of the most popular ways to grow your wealth. But it's not the only way. You can also invest in real estate, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. Investing in real estate can be a great way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. You can buy rental properties, commercial properties, or even invest in real estate investment trusts. Investing in precious metals, such as gold and silver, can be a great way to hedge against inflation and protect your wealth during economic downturns. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have emerged as a new asset class in recent years. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky, but it can also be very rewarding if you do your research and invest wisely. The key to successful investing is diversification. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, you should spread your investments across different assets and classes to minimize your risks and maximize your returns. If you're not sure where to start, it's always a good idea to seek the advice of a financial planner. They can help you develop a personalized investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Investing your money in various places is not just about making money, it's about securing your financial future. So, start investing today and take control of your financial destiny.